Let's take a look at the car dust cleaning gel. This is really awesome stuff. If you're like me and you have a car where you probably have some stuff in the cup holders or like hard to reach surfaces, maybe dust and stains and things, this is a really cool solution for taking care of that. So it's this gel, it comes in this container, and we're gonna just pull this out. It has kind of like a slippery, slimy type of feel, a little bit of a smell to it, kind of like an aromatherapy type of smell. And then we're just gonna take that and smush it into those little crevices, and it conforms to the surfaces that you're trying to clean. And then it just picks up that dust. So look at that, it's taking that dust right out of those little crevices and hard to reach surfaces. And you just basically push it in. You can use it on car vents, you can use it on a camera or a keyboard, and it's just gonna pick up that dust and clear it straight out. And even those little kind of crevices that you really have trouble getting a cleaning cloth into, the gel, because it's able to conform to those small surfaces, is so awesome at just getting in there and picking that stuff out. So let me clean up a little bit more here, and you can see even like dust along here. I can pick that up really readily with this cleaning gel. I'll try to get into the areas around here where I've got a lot of dust. Let's see how I can handle that. It's coming up. And after a few uses of this, you can get most of that stuff to be gone on there. So very cool, very interesting way of cleaning your car out, cleaning out your keyboard. Because I know you're probably like me also, you've got a lot of stuff that gets into there. And you can see a much cleaner surface after using this gel. I particularly love it for cup holders where you get those crumbs, and if you try to clean that with a traditional cloth, you know, it just gets sort of like mushed in there and it breaks into little pieces and things. And with this, I can just get in there and really clean it out very, very well, very simply with this cleaning gel. So fantastic little tool for the car, really great for use all around the house.